Hey everyone, welcome to this new tutorial, and it's going to be a short one. Basically, I'm going to explain to you the error or issue sometimes you see on the screen and you have no idea what's going on. So if you see something like that error saying sync not possible, no MagicQ interface connected, what it means is your MagicQ software is running in a demo mode and you don't have access to multi-console. This is what I'm talking about. So if you look here and you see this sign that says Master MCC Net 1 and stuff, and you are running in a demo mode, it simply is not going to work, because in MagicQ in the demo mode, the multi-controls are not available. So in order for this to work, you need to have something like the PC Wing, Mini Wing, SnakeSys B4, Rackman Dongle, Dual DMX box, or anything that unlocks the software out of demo mode. So if you see this error and this error, all you have to do is go to the setup window, go to the view settings, multi-console, and these two settings. Basically, turn the first option to none and everything disappears. So you don't need to worry. You can set this one to 0 if you want to, but basically switch off net session mode, make it none, and this error will disappear. Hope that was useful. Thanks for joining tutorial, and see you next time.